Speak Out Elementary, Unit 7, Holidays, Section 1, Travel Partners, Vocabulary and Listening. In this lesson, we will focus on some travel adjectives, do exercises, practice listening and speaking, and see suggestions for further study and practice. But first, let's have a look at what the symbols and labels mean in this video. When you look up a word in the dictionary, you see some details about the word. For example, you see the part of speech of the word, that is, if it is a noun or a verb. If the word is a noun, you see if we can count it or not. You also see the syllables of the word. In this video, we deal with adjectives. Therefore, you'll not see the mentioned details. You'll hear how we pronounce the word, but you'll also see it written in phonetic alphabet. You can see which syllables are stressed. The syllables that come after these symbols are pronounced stronger. Okay, let's begin. Do you like traveling? What kind of places do you like traveling to? How do you like traveling? What about holiday? What kind of holidays do you like? Pause the video and talk. Look at the photos and think. What can you say about these photos? Can you describe them? Can you make a list of adjectives to describe the photos? Do you think these photos will help you list the adjectives? Pause the video and try to write as many adjectives as you can think of when you look at the photos. Now look at these words. Are they the same as the ones you wrote? Please listen and study the pronunciation. You can repeat the words after you hear them. Boring, cheap, cold, comfortable, crowded, empty, expensive, fast, hot, interesting, noisy, quiet, slow, uncomfortable. Now let's practice. Look at the words in the box and match them with their definitions. Pause the video to do this and resume to check your answers. In the second exercise, you will choose the correct word. Look at each sentence and underline the correct alternatives. Pause the video to do this and resume to check your answers. Now, talk about your holiday and travel preferences. What kind of places do you like to go? How do you like to go? Where do you like staying? What kind of activities do you like doing when traveling or on holiday? Try to use as many adjectives as you can. Now, pause the video and talk. Now let's do some listening practice. Listen to a woman and a man doing a quiz. Write down their answers for the 7 questions in the quiz.
Unit 7. Recording 2.
So, on holiday, how do you like travelling? By plane, train or car?
Well, I don't like airports, so put train. I hate travelling by car.
Oh, me too. I put plane because, well, planes are faster than trains.
Not always. Okay, number 2. It says, I like staying in A, a hotel, B, a self-catering apartment, or C, a tent.
Forget the tent. In an apartment. And you?
In a hotel.
Really? A hotel's more expensive than an apartment.
Yeah, but it's more comfortable. Next question. Do you prefer relaxing on a beach, doing something sporty, or going sightseeing?
What does it mean, something sporty?
Playing tennis, or maybe golf?
No, thank you. Not on holiday. But I hate staying on the beach all day. Boring.
Okay, there's one we answered the same, so we agree about that.
Yeah, sightseeing's definitely more interesting than the beach.
Right. When do you like going on holiday? In spring, summer, or winter?
In spring. I never go on holiday in winter, but I don't really like very hot weather. Tourist places are more crowded in summer.
True, but the weather's better. Summer's hotter than spring. I love hot weather.
Well, we don't agree there. Anyway, next question. What do you like eating? Local dishes? The food you usually eat? Or fast food?
Local dishes, I think. You?
Definitely.
Interesting. Next. In the evenings, I like going for a walk, going to a restaurant, or going to a nightclub.
Going to a restaurant.
Oh, good. Me too. I don't like noisy places.
Yes, I agree. Restaurants are quieter, more relaxing. But I like going for a walk too sometimes, so I'm not sure. Okay, let's say going to a restaurant.
And the last question, how long is your perfect holiday?
3 months?
You can't have 3 months. The answer is a weekend, a week, or a month.
Okay, a month then.
Me too.
Maybe we can travel together.
Now check your answers. Do you think they can be good travel partners? Why do you think so? Pause the video and talk. Can you be travel partners with the man or the woman? Who is your favorite travel partner and why? Pause the video and talk. Finally, our last speaking practice. Which one is a better idea and why? Camping or hotel? A budget hotel or a first-class hotel? Summer vacations or winter vacations? Traveling alone or traveling in a group? A package tour or an independent travel? Pause the video and talk. You can record your voice and listen and reflect on your speaking later on. To practice more, you can study on My English Lab and go to Quizlet and practice the related study sets. You can also do some speaking practice and record your voice. Write conversation questions/travel on a search engine, click on the website links, and talk about the given questions. Have a nice day.